I'm back with something for y'all. Let me just drop some more game. So let's talk about 50 U.S.C. section 3918, because this is where a lot of people lose their protection without even realizing it. So this section is all about waivers, meaning, yeah, you can give up your SCRA rights, but it has to be done in a very specific way. It has to be in writing, it has to be separate from the contract, and it has to clearly say what rights you're giving up. They can't just hide it in fine print and act like you agreed to it. And the important part here is that waiver usually has to be signed during or after your military service, not before. So if you sign something before you join, thinking it applies later, a lot of times it don't even hold up. Now, this is where you need to move a lot smarter, okay? Because lenders, dealerships, and even companies will try to slide paperwork in front of you, hoping you don't read it, like most people don't. And if you sign the wrong thing, you might be giving up protections like stopping a repossession, foreclosure, or contract enforcement. So before your ass sign anything, especially while you're on active duty or about to go active, slow your ass down, read what you're actually agreeing to. If you see anything about waiving rights, that should immediately make you pause, okay? This section is about control, making sure nobody tricks you into giving up your protections or rights that were put in place for you. As always, I got y'all. Stay safe and be blessed. Peace.
Dropping juke and salt and we apply the pressure. For the people, we move smart, we move better. Know your rights, yeah, we teach you, we enforce. If it is unlawful, it gotta get tossed.